Hello friends, welcome to a new video. If still not subscribe this channel, you can subscribe the channel here. Just scroll down and also press the bell icon and you can select all button. So every day when I'm uploading new videos, you will get the notification. And also you can scroll down in the description, you can find other videos. Also you can go to the channel page and you can find the playlist. Then you can select the videos from the playlist, social media marketing or SEO related or WordPress, Google Ads or Photoshop or any other technical videos. In this video I'm going to show in Google display ad how we can target topics. Topic is under content targeting. So I'm already inside one campaign inside the ad group. So I'm going to do the targeting, ad group targeting. And if you don't know what is ad group and campaign, you can watch the video for the beginner video for display ad. You can find the link in description below. When you are inside the ad group, so you can find the topic option in left panel. So these are topics, so you can click on the topics. So then you will get the page for topics. So you can click on add topics here. Here you will have so many options that what type of topic you are going to target. So here you can see different options here. So I'm going to explain how it will work for your display ad or how you can target these topics. So for example, this is your campaign and now you are going to add a topic targeting. It's a content targeting in ad group level. So when you select one topic, so for example, you are going to select nutrition related one topic. So now how this will work, your ad will run and where your ad will show the nutrition that related website pages your ad will show. So it means someone opened that topic website pages related to nutrition, someone website pages, so they are allowing ads, for example. So your ad will show there because this is the related topic that you selected for your targeting. So same like that in YouTube, someone watching video, so the people they watch video related to nutrition related video, when they are watching, your ad can show there, or in the channel, that type of related channel your ad can show in the YouTube channels also in mobile application, that anything like maybe nutrition or maybe the health related products, that time if they open any of the mobile application pages, so your ad will go to the application maybe. So it means you are going to target a topic where your ad need to show. So now how you will target here, you need to select one of the option, like or you can do multiple also. You can select which is related to your product or service. You can select and you can save it. This is not audience is different. So this is content targeting category. So I already selected the nutrition, or you can do multiple also. So your ad will show in these type of topic pages. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.